Imagine a missile system so advanced that it seems to anticipate threats before they even appear. A system that combines precision, speed, and adaptability to protect an entire nation. The Paython missile family, developed by Israel, represents the pinnacle of next-generation defense technology. From its sleek exterior to the advanced systems embedded inside, this missile family is redefining what modern defense looks like. The first time you see it, the design alone commands attention. Every curve, every contour has been meticulously engineered to reduce radar detection and maximize aerodynamic efficiency. Its compact frame allows deployment across multiple platforms, whether from fighter jets, naval vessels, or ground-based launchers, giving Israel a flexible edge in any conflict scenario. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into Israel's Paython missile family to uncover the secrets that make it one of the most advanced and formidable defense systems in the world. These missiles are not just weapons, they are a demonstration of precision engineering, cutting-edge technology, and strategic ingenuity. On the outside, the Paython missiles are sleek and streamlined. The body is coated with advanced stealth materials that help them evade radar detection, while their aerodynamic shape ensures maximum speed and maneuverability in any environment. Despite their relatively small size, these missiles pack incredible power and versatility. They are designed to operate in complex combat situations where split-second decisions can make the difference between success and failure. Inside, the technology is even more impressive. Compact yet incredibly powerful, each Paython missile contains sophisticated guidance and propulsion systems that work seamlessly together. The onboard electronics are highly integrated, ensuring that the missile remains lightweight without compromising performance. The warhead is designed for maximum effect, capable of neutralizing threats with pinpoint accuracy. The missile's guidance system is adaptive, able to track moving targets and adjust its flight path in real time to avoid countermeasures. Every component is engineered with precision, reflecting years of research and innovation. The Paython family's propulsion system allows for rapid acceleration, reaching targets quickly while maintaining accuracy. The missile can handle extreme speeds and maneuverability requirements, making it nearly impossible to intercept once launched. Performance is where the Paython missile family truly shines. These missiles are capable of engaging multiple types of targets simultaneously, from fast-moving aircraft to heavily armored vehicles. They employ a combination of heat-seeking radar, guided electro-optical guidance systems to ensure maximum target acquisition. This adaptability allows them to operate effectively in diverse combat scenarios, whether in dense urban environments, over open seas, or in harsh desert conditions. The missile's speed and agility make it a formidable asset for any military operation, giving its operators a significant tactical advantage. Advanced software allows the Paython missiles to counter electronic warfare techniques, jamming and decoys, maintaining accuracy and reliability even against sophisticated defenses. Safety is a key focus for Israel's engineers. Despite their power, Paython missiles are equipped with multiple safety protocols to prevent accidental detonations. Fail-safe systems ensure that the missile remains inactive until properly launched, and self-neutralization mechanisms can render the missile harmless if it strays off course. These systems are essential not only for operational safety, but also for the long-term reliability of the missile family. Even under extreme environmental conditions, whether extreme heat, cold, or high-altitude operations, the Paython missile systems maintain integrity and performance, demonstrating the robustness of their design. What sets the Paython missile family apart from other defense systems is its versatility and adaptability. The multi-platform deployment capability allows it to be used by air forces, navies, and ground units alike. The missile's ability to engage multiple targets at once, adapt to changing battlefield conditions, And evade advanced countermeasures makes it not just a defensive tool, but an offensive force multiplier. It is a system built to dominate, designed to ensure that no adversary has a tactical advantage. Every element, from its design to its guidance and propulsion systems, has been carefully engineered to create a missile that is both lethal and reliable. In terms of cost, specific figures are classified, but military analysts suggest that the Paython missile family represents a significant investment in national security. It balances cost with unmatched effectiveness, delivering advanced capabilities that few other systems can match. The investment reflects not just the missile's hardware, but also the years of research, innovation, and testing that went into creating a world-class defense system. For nations seeking to protect their airspace and strategic assets, the Paython family provides a level of confidence and capability that is rare in modern warfare. The strategic advantage offered by the Paython missile family cannot be overstated. These missiles give Israel the ability to project power, defend critical infrastructure, and maintain control over contested regions. Each missile is more than a weapon. It is a symbol of precision, technological sophistication, and strategic foresight. The Paython family is designed to respond to threats in real time, whether that means intercepting incoming missiles, engaging hostile aircraft, or neutralizing high-value ground targets. Its operational flexibility makes it a cornerstone of Israel's modern defense strategy, ensuring that the nation remains prepared for any scenario. The missile's guidance and targeting systems are what truly define its superiority. Advanced sensors allow the Paython to detect and track fast-moving targets with incredible accuracy. Heat-seeking and radar-guided capabilities are combined with sophisticated electro-optical systems to ensure success, even in environments designed to deceive or mislead traditional defense systems. The missile can adjust its trajectory mid-flight, avoiding countermeasures and hitting targets with deadly precision. This level of adaptability is a game changer in modern warfare, providing a technological edge that few adversaries can match. Compact and lightweight, yet extremely potent, the Paython missile family reflects Israel's approach to modern military engineering, maximizing efficiency without sacrificing power. The compact design allows multiple missiles to be carried on a single platform, whether an aircraft, ship, or ground launcher, enhancing operational flexibility. The propulsion system provides rapid acceleration, enabling the missile to reach its target quickly and efficiently, reducing the chance of interception. Advanced onboard computing allows the missile to process real-time battlefield data, adjust its flight path, and engage moving targets with unparalleled accuracy. One of the most impressive aspects of the Paython missile family is its continuous evolution. Israel has invested heavily in research and development to ensure that the system remains at the cutting edge of missile technology. Each generation brings improvements in speed, accuracy, stealth, and adaptability. The result is a missile family that not only meets current threats, but anticipates future challenges. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the Paython missiles remain relevant in an era of rapidly evolving warfare technology, maintaining a tactical edge for years to come. The unique selling points of the Paython missile family are numerous. Its multi-platform deployment, advanced guidance systems, rapid target acquisition, and countermeasure evasion capabilities make it a system that dominates the battlefield. Unlike traditional missiles, which may be limited to specific roles or platforms, Paython missiles provide a comprehensive solution that can adapt to almost any mission requirement. This adaptability, combined with advanced safety protocols and high reliability, makes the Paython family one of the most respected and feared missile systems in the world. For military planners, the Paython missile family offers a combination of flexibility, power, and reliability that is unmatched. Its advanced technology ensures that operators can respond quickly to emerging threats, engage multiple targets simultaneously, and maintain control over complex battle scenarios. The missile's precision reduces collateral damage, increases operational efficiency, and enhances mission success rates. It is not just a tool for defense, but a force multiplier that amplifies the effectiveness of Israel's military capabilities. In conclusion, the Paython missile family exemplifies the pinnacle of Israeli defense technology. From its stealthy exterior to its advanced interior systems, from its unmatched performance to its sophisticated safety features, every aspect has been engineered with excellence. It is a missile system that does not just protect, it dominates, adapts, and outperforms adversaries in every measurable way. For anyone interested in modern defense technology, the Paython family is a prime example of what happens when innovation, precision, and strategic vision come together to create a system that is truly next level. The combination of versatility, reliability, and technological superiority ensures that these missiles will remain a cornerstone of defense strategy, demonstrating the future of missile systems today.